What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the play big. Okay guys, this project just went live. Okay, that's why I decided to bring this project as fast as possible. Okay guys, so if you're watching this video 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later from the day, so today is the 13th of February 2023, please make sure the project is still up and running before you invest. Okay, none of that you're going to watch in this video is going to be financial advice. This is just me sharing my crypto journey with y'all. Bear in mind guys, this is a high risky project. Okay, so only invest capital that you can't afford to lose if something goes wrong. Okay, so what is Play Big? Okay, so Play Big is a platform where you have 6 different plans. Okay, each plan pays a different percentage. Okay, so the first 3 plans you can withdraw, well, the first 2 plans, so this one and this one, you can withdraw hourly. Okay, so every hour you're gonna get 5.55% on this one and 5.65% on this one from your investment. Okay, this one you will get 125% or 25% profit after 24 hours. Okay, this one you'll make 80% after 3 days. This one you'll make 350% after 7 days, and this one you'll make a hefty 500% after 10 days. But you know, the longer you go, more exposure you will be to the risk. Okay, so please only invest risk capital. So as you can see, you have 6 plans. Okay, scrolling further down is very simple, and I'm going to show you how to get started if you actually want to invest in this project. They have an affiliate program. Okay, this is a referral link, so every time you join somebody's on the referral link, you'll get 5%. Well, that person will get 5% commission. Okay, and once you are up and running with the project, you share that referral link with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get 5% commission from that person's deposit. Okay, there is a withdrawal tax. Every time you withdraw, okay, you will pay 4% tax on that withdrawal. Okay, over here we can see the latest statistics. Okay, latest deposits and latest withdrawal. Seems like everybody's going for the 3rd plan. I am actually going to go for the 3rd plan as well. So days they've been running 0 days. Okay, total accounts 26 accounts, active accounts only 15. As you can see right here, this thing just started. Okay, so if you are looking to get into these super risky plays, get in as soon as possible and get out as soon as possible. Okay, so total deposits we can see 7.8k. Okay, total withdrawn none. Visitors 59. Online visitors, and members online we got 20. Okay, and you can see the newest member right here. Right, scrolling further down, we have the home about, we got about us, got FAQs, really important. I recommend it to come to FAQs so you can have a more understanding how everything works in case you're not familiar with this kind of projects. And if you click on these pages, you can see and understand how everything works. Okay, plus you have some rules to obey. Okay guys, basically do not disrespect anyone, you know, be in compliance with you know, the company protocols and all, etc. Okay guys, but yeah, I will leave you to it, so please make sure you do your own research before you get started. So once you register, so name, nickname, whatever you want to put, you don't even have to put your real email address. Okay, so once you are up and running, you will come over here to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and very important thing, you have to place your in this case my MetaMask address. Oh, my MetaMask disconnected. Okay, so this is my MetaMask address, so BUSD. So we have the TRC, and also, oh, this is wrong, I have to add my BEP Tether wallet address right here. So give me 1 minute, and here we are. So we're gonna add the Tether address. So this is the Tether TRC. This is not the right address, so I'm gonna delete that one. So I'm gonna save the settings, and I'm good to go. Okay, so as you can see, the payments is gonna be only on these options right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the deposits. Okay, so let's get this thing up and running. As you can see right here, we have 6 plans. So this one will pay me 4.55 per hour, this one 4.65 per hour, this 125. So if we do 125 divided by 24 hours, we will get 520 per hour. Okay, so it's a little bit more than this one, 465. Okay, so yeah, the plan that I'm going to roll with is going to be this one right here. Okay, so 125, so we're going to go for 300 bucks. Okay, let me just get this out of the way. There you go. And the payment that I'm going to use is the Tether BAP20 right there. So now we're going to hit deposit. Okay, so when you're going to hit deposit, it will show you what we are selecting. Okay, so we're selecting the 125% plan, so we're going to get paid after 24 hours. Okay, that's it. So credit amount 300 bucks. So now all you have to do is send exactly 300 USDT BAP20 to this address right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to copy the address. I'm going to bring it over to the MetaMask. So I'm going to hit send. So when you hit send, you just paste the address right there. Okay, so you paste the address right there. As you can see, boom. And we got 300 bucks right there. So once that's done, confirm. So 0xe74e. Okay, 745C. Okay, just confirm. That's it. So we hit next. We confirm on the MetaMask, and boom. And okay, guys, so we're just waiting for the confirmation right here. It's pending. So once that's done, we're gonna go over to the other page and let's see what's up. So I believe USDT is a bit slow today. There you go. That's done. So over here, the payment is successfully confirmed. So that means the platform received the payment. So let's see if the page will be updated or we have to refresh. Okay, seems like yeah, the payment went through. Let's go over to deposit list and let's check it out. So 125, your deposits. There you go. So as you can see right here, we can see my deposits when I deposit it. Okay, expires in 24 hours. Okay, so my investment right here. So in 24 hours, I will be making 300 times 25%. So I will make 75 bucks. Okay, I would make 75 bucks. So yeah, today's the video is just a live deposit and show you how to get started. Okay, so tomorrow, once my plan expired, I will be able to collect, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw. But withdraw is very simple. All you got to do is come to withdraw, okay, and select the coin that you want to withdraw. So in this case, I will be withdrawing Tether BUSD. I already got my wallet right there, so I'll just have to select the coin that I want to withdraw and then confirm right at the bottom, and that's it. Should be that easy. Okay, guys? But yes, tomorrow I will give you an update about these projects. Okay, so if you come over here now, we can see my latest deposit right there, 300 bucks, and yeah, the count is the total accounts are growing. Okay, guys, more and more people are becoming aware about these projects. Okay, so if you like gamble plays, okay, this is a good gamble play. You can make a quick buck in just 24 hours. So all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.